5, 10, 15 carry-on travel essentials that are worth packing along on your next trip. 15 travel essentials that I pack along on almost every one of my trips. I have a couple versions, so I swap out sometimes, but definitely worth packing along with you. I'm Andrea, that pilot wife lady, helping you travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. Number 15, we're gonna go backwards, kind of like those old music videos when we get to number 1, some type of noise canceling headset. I have the AirPod Pros, but I also have the Beat. I like them both. It just depends on how much space that I have on the trip, depending on which one I'll bring with me. The biggest thing is noise canceling, and should you be coming home from Barcelona and have a very upset baby right behind you for those 10 hours, these will come in very handy. Even the parents had their noise canceling headsets on as they were trying to soothe that little one. Number 14 is a day bag. If you've watched any of my other videos or my Instagram reels, you know that we're carry-on only. And so that means my personal item bag has to be kind of like a Mary Poppins bag. I have to be able to store that third bag inside, so when we get to our destination, I can pull that out to walk around. And I've collected a few over the years. I have had the crossbody. I have my what I call my fancy one. I love this one because it has the inside pockets that I can just put my cards in. When I'm carrying other people's stuff along with me, I like a smaller backpack. And this one, I've been asked a lot of times what this one is, and they no longer make it, but Travel On makes different versions of it. So I'm linking those newer ones down in the description for you. I can actually wear it on my back in the larger cities when we're touring around and there's a bunch of people, because you can either lock these together or you can lock it on that little latch that's on either side. Same thing here. This one's locked. In the front pouch, that could be, should someone be able to get that off without you knowing, that's usually only Kleenex, chapstick, things like that. So if they want it, they can have it. My crossbody that has a little more adjustments to it. That, I like that easy release for me. It has this pocket that I put identification and maybe some spare cash and a card, because when it's on, it's up against my chest, so it's protected that way. When I want a water bottle, there my water bottle goes into it. And then in the front, for this larger zipper, the other nice thing is this part is nice and velvety. So if I put my phone in there or my readers, they don't get scratched up. They're protected without a case. The nice leash to attach any of our keys. That other zipper part that has cards, I can put my phone in there, so it's zipped up also in the front, or I have that front pouch that I can drop my phone into also. I will take at least one, tuck it inside my personal item bag down to my 2 bags only. I don't have to carry this big thing all around the towns and cities when we're traveling. 13, portable chargers. I love both of these, and I'll usually carry 2 of them when I'm traveling with someone else, because inevitably someone's going to need a charge. This one has both the MagSafe charging, so I can just put it flat on there, but it also has the cord, which is very nice too. It's never gotten hot while it's charging on here, but should it get hot, you have the cord available too. And the stand, so if you're sitting on the tray table, easy to watch a show. This one that I've had for a while too, you don't need anything to recharge it. You just plug it into the wall, which is fabulous. No charging block or anything. And then it charges multiple devices. Number 12 is for international travel. Get a universal travel adapter that you don't have to buy a separate one if you're going to the UK, and then if you're going to Australia. And one that has the different pieces, invaluable. This one comes in a 2-pack, which is nice. It's one for me, one for B. We both can charge our devices in the hotel room or Airbnb without bugging the other one to unplug their device. Number 11 is a bit controversial in our house. Are you team packing cubes? Team no packing cubes, the pilot part of this duo, or a little mix it up, which I also do. These packing cubes come in a set, which I use quite often. The reason I really like these is because it's both. I can make them just a regular packing cube, or they can also be a compression type cube. So if I want to squish things down even more, there's that. Or you shrink it and it's just makes it a little bit smaller so you can squish in just a little bit more. Which are you? Packing cubes, compression cubes, or bag the whole thing? No cubes at all, just going free. Number 10 on our countdown are toiletry bags. These are the two that I switch off between. This one, it's much lighter material, so there's no bulk to it, but it hangs, which is tucked right in here, which is nice, especially in those smaller hotels where there is zero counter space. Multiple small packets, the zipper, toothbrush, as I'm falling out here, and then a top part that goes in behind. This one, it has a hanging pouch, all of the inserts in here. The nice part about this one too, not that I've done it recently, but you can wipe out with the clear plastic and clean it up a little bit, which looks like in my makeup compartment, I need to do that. And then hang them, pack them, ready to go. I've also put together in this video description 12 of the travel essentials never to forget when you're packing. If you want to check that down below, I have the link so you can download. Number 9 is for my jewelry packers. These come in a pack of 6, which is great. They're soft and velvety on this side and clear so that you can see whatever jewelry you want to put in there, you know exactly what's in there. So if you have a ring one, you have a necklace one, bracelets, put them in there, squish down. Nice to keep the jewelry still shiny, protected, but doesn't take up much space in your bag. I gotta take those back out, otherwise they're gonna end up being in my suitcase and I'm not gonna remember where I put them. Number 8, a 10-pack of shower caps. Not for the head or your shoes. These I get at the dollar store and put all my shoes in there. Hiking, anything that's dirt related. These will cover up the shoes, and it's, I guess a dollar store is now $1.25 or something like that. Number 7, a travel scarf. This particular scarf of mine actually comes with the strap, which is nice because you can put it on your suitcase. I carry mine on my personal item bag, clip it on, or they have yet to make me consolidate this one. You have to consolidate if you're having a crossbody and a personal item bag, but this they're still letting you put on the outside of your bag. This is nice because it can use it when it gets cold on the flight. It is a wrap. I can style it, which I'll link a past scarf video that I did that shows how different ways that I've styled this. You can use it as a pillow. The last way is on a really long flight, you can tuck this in your tray table and use it to elevate your ankles if you need to, because of course we all need to keep those elevated, if not moving, preferably to avoid the DVT on really long flights. Definitely a travel scarf is a must essential in your packing carry-on bag. Travel carry-on essential number 6, reusable water bottle. I love this one because it is small enough to fit in my crossbody bag pouch. It's 16 ounces, plenty of water if I'm sitting on the airplane a little longer, if you have to take medication that needs to be taken at a certain time. Has a carry strap. The straw is inside and it's protected so it's not out around the bag when you're, and insulated. Number 5, pour over coffee. I'm a little picky with my coffee, so this I know sitting in the hotel room, it's going to be the same taste every time. All you do is open it up, pour your coffee over into a glass. There's your morning coffee before you even leave your room. They also have the creamer packs that go along with them. It's yummy. Put those two together and you got your morning coffee still in your pajamas on vacation. Number 4, we're getting right down there. Plus, I have 3 bonus ones that are under $10 at the very end. An RFID wallet. Say that fast. I never can. Keep things separate. I'll have a credit card in one, a debit card in another, or a second credit card. I'll have some cash. This way, if they're separate, should something happen, not everything is lost together. What they both have that you need is some type of leash. When you put it inside your travel around day bag, it's locked in there and it's not free and can fall out. Say if you open up your bag to get something else, they're locked in there and protected. Number 3 is your bendable buddy. Super thin, slides anywhere into your personal item bag or your carry-on suitcase. It bends. When you're sitting on the tray table, you can put your iPad, your phone, anything in there and watch and not have to hold it when the planes don't have the little holders in the seats. This comes in really handy. Number 2, your in-hotel room is the 3-in-1 charger. This one, compact, comes with the charging block, your cord to charge it, and I always get a full charge, even when I put all 3, my phone, my watch, and my AirPods on to charge that night. These blue lights, just make sure that you put your watch band over it because they are kind of bright. Or bring yourself a piece of washi tape or a Post-it note and cover them up. This is great to have. It brings us to number 1, an in-flight kit bag. It's got the outside pocket that you can put, sometimes I'll put like my granola bar or a quick snack in there. But inside here, you have, it opens up wide enough that you can see everything, which is great. And then it has an inside zipper and then all of these compartments. So you see here my 3-in-1 charger, bands to hold, laptop charger, fits perfect. Down in the bag, it can hold whatever you need. If you don't want it as a gadget bag, sometimes I've used it as my in-flight seat bag where I put my snack, my chapstick, my AirPods, some of my electronics, and it zips all in there and it goes right into my personal item bag. And my last 3 quick bonus ones that are worth a travel essential pack are bag tags. These come in 6 different colors. They're silicone, so they're easy to wipe off. They're bright, so if you check your bags, you're easy to pick out on the belt. The only thing it shows here is your name. My packable brush, my little gadget wraps, white, black, green, pink. So each person in the family can have their own color. Wrap around there to keep it tight, but it's not all a big tangly mess in there. Bing, bang, boom. 15 travel essentials that are worth packing, plus 3 bonus under $10. And if you have anything to add to the list, please add it in the comments because I am always looking for better ways to travel that take up less room since we travel carry-on only. I gotta put all this stuff in those tiny bitty spices. Thanks for being here again this week, and I hope to see you again next week for more travel tips, travel hacks, and travel goods in general. Happy travels. Carry-on travel essential number 7. Is it 7? 7? Nope, it's not 7. What is that? It's my, oh, okay, maybe no more floor videos.